Hey guys, what's up? It's Alan. I'm back with another video. Cropped my face right here because I wanted the sneakers to get all the focus. As you can see from the box, this is an Air Jordan 4 box. Yep, I picked up another pair of 4s. And this one, like you can see from the title, is the Raptor 4s. The Drake Raptor 4s. Let me get the box out of the way and take you through the sneaker. Now this sneaker has a fair bit of controversy around it because Drake was signed on to a Jordan brand. He had a few releases as well with OVO, and there were rumors that he signed on with brand Adidas, but then there was this entire Pusha T, Kanye West beef, post which he came back to Jordan brand. So there was a regular Raptor 4s that dropped. This one, like you can see right here, has the Drake signature on it. The earliest sneaker that dropped before this Raptor pack was literally same shoe, except that this tab right here was all leather. I think it just had the Jumpman logo on it. And this one was then released as a shock drop with the Drake signature on it. Literally, I mean, the only difference is the scribble over here that you can't even tell is Drake's signature. I'll tell you what is interesting though. When I was going through the sneaker, I went through the size tag in there, and it's evident that they had made this pair much before the regular Raptors pairs dropped. But I think they held on to these because Drake had that entire confusion thing going on, and then when he was confirmed as being back on Jordan brand is when they dropped these. Having said that, these would have then sat in storage for a really long time, because of which the quality on this is just abysmal. The suede had already begun to turn ashy, and there's tons of glue stains all around it. Let me give you the smell test. I've never really smelled a Jordan 4, so nah, doesn't feel like a Jordan 1. Anyway, going into the details of the sneaker, you have a hang tag. The Jordan 4 breads came in the regular Nike Air orange hang tag. This one's got the Jumpman logo and Flight right there. Black, red and purple colorway. Now I am honestly not a big fan of the purple color, but then Connie Yan told me about how it looks really nice, which is why ever since these dropped, I've been eyeing them. Shout out to my friend Deepak for having scored them for me all the way from America. There's nothing I can tell you apart from what you already know about the Jordan 4. You have the Jumpman here in comparison to the bread, which has the Nike Air branding. I'll leave a link right here to the bread 4, so you know the sneakers are more or less the same. Your midsole has some nice black splatters on the purple paint. Nice shocking red. The outsole is my favorite part because of the way the color blocking has been used. Red carries on to the toe area as well as the heel. Jumpman logo smack in the middle there in red. Your midsole has this black portion, and again the purple with the black paint splatters continues over here. Your wings, through which the laces are tightened, and this plastic TPU kind of a lace eyelet. The same suede Durabuck tongue with a patch and the Drake signature. On the inside, the tongue's red, and you have the Air Jordan branding there in red and purple. A lot of people apparently like wearing their sneakers with their tongue stuck out that way, which is why the Air Jordan is actually in reverse when you look at it from this angle. I've obviously layered this with protectant spray because I don't know, since these were in storage for a really long time, how long they're gonna hold up. Your insole's red right there, and that's pretty much all there is to the sneaker. I'm not gonna slip these bad boys on feet to show you what they look like. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button down there and give this video a thumbs up if you're a fan of Drake or Air Jordans, the color purple, or just maybe the Air Jordan 4. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.